Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I hope that you're all doing well. Today it's going to be 44 degrees and it's going to feel so warm and nice, so I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm breaking out my spring and summer jewelry because I'm ready for the warmer weather. Let's hope that it sticks around. Fingers crossed. I know 44 is not warm for some of you, but it's warm for us, so happy about that. Anyway, today I have my latest box to share with you, and that is my trunk club. It's been a while since I've done a trunk club, and I had to do another one. I was just so excited. So trunk club is a styling service. I do it on demand, so I just kind of request one whenever I feel like it. I think I did the last one around Christmas time, maybe like right after Christmas or before Christmas. And you get a preview of your items before your box gets shipped out, and you can either approve your box, basically, or items in your box, or you can decline items. If you decline items, you have the option to ask your stylist to fill those spaces basically with other items, but you don't get to preview any items that she adds on, if that makes sense. If you don't have a Nordstrom's credit card, your styling fee is $25, but that does get applied to anything that you keep in your box. I do ask her to send me sale items when available. I do have a new stylist, and her name is Kayla. So let's see how Kayla did, and maybe she sent me some great pieces. So I do know what she sent me because, like I said, you do get that preview before your box ships, and you have to accept all the items, or like I said, decline the items in your preview. You do have, what I like about Trunk Club is 5 days to try everything on at home. So with some of the other styling services, you only have 3 days, and Trunk Club gives you a little bit of extra time, which is nice because they do send you more items. Your trunk, I think, has 10 or more items in each box, so it takes a lot of time to try on. I'm really excited to show you my box. There's some spring stuff in there, so let's see how everything looks, and we'll go through each piece. I will leave a list below of each item in my box and how much it costs. All right, I can't wait. Let's try everything on. All right, I'm back with my first 3 pieces. Now, I will be listing everything below, the item names and the prices, so if you're interested, you can go to Nordstrom's website and check it out, or if you do Trunk Club, you can request it in your box. But I'll just tell you as I go through also what I'm wearing and the prices. So the first top is by Chelsea 28. It's the Illusion sleeve top, and it's in pink for $59. You'll see in a second I have on the ankle pants by Halogen in black for $69. And I have on some flats, and they are by, I just had them, I'm so sorry, Caslon. They're the Luna Pointy Toe Flat in light gold leather for $89.95. Pricey for a girl that doesn't really wear flats, but we'll check them out and we'll see what you think about them. If I do keep them, I have to size down because they are a little big. But let's talk about the top first, and we'll work our way down. Okay, so the top is pretty cute. There's something about it though that I just don't care for, and I can't pinpoint it. I don't know. So let's talk about it. The top is got this tie front. This might be what's bothering me. It does create a keyhole, which I don't mind, but I think if this was like a true V, let me see if I can just undo this. Ooh, okay. No, that doesn't really make it any better. But I think if it were like a true, just kind of either V-neck or a rounded neck without the ties, I might like it a little bit better. I did have to put a light pink cami on underneath because clearly with all the cutouts, you gotta, all right? Each of the arms kind of has this keyhole type thing. There is a button on each arm, and that does create that feature. And then, I don't know, it splits here, kind of cute. It's a good length. I don't know, what do you think about it? I do like the color. I think it screams spring. I'll retie this so that we can get the true look, because it is supposed to be a tie front top. But I think that's what's throwing me off about it, unless I'm missing something. But I don't know if I'm gonna keep it because I don't know, this might bother me. Not that it's too far up, it's just I don't know that I like the look of that for me. I think on the right person it would look cute, but I don't know, I don't think it's doing me any favors. All right, let's look at the pants. I'm just gonna move the camera down so you can see the pants and the flats, but we'll do the pants first. So the pants are by Halogen, and they are a true ankle pant. I'm short, so it's hard for me to find an ankle pant that is true length. And I'm really happy with these. They're very comfortable. I think they fit well. And as you can see, they do come down to the right length. There's just a nice clean look for work. So I think I'm gonna keep these. All right, can you see the flats? They're shiny, they're gold. So the gold and the shiny. That's a Kayla feature. But, you know, I don't know. You know what? I'm going to take them off. If I keep them, like I said, I do have to size down. I'm going to move closer so you can see the flat. So, true pointy toe. Color is beautiful. They have kind of a little tiny heel on them. I don't wear flats a lot, so I don't know how much I'd pull for these. They are really cute, though. What do you think? Should I size down and see if I like them? They are pricey though. They're $89.95. So for someone that doesn't wear flats a lot, I don't know how much use I'd get out of these. But they're so cute. I do like the pointy toe. I think what I don't like about a lot of flats is that they're rounded and it doesn't look good on my feet. So I think I'm gonna see if they have a 7.5 and see, or even a 7 and see if I can size down. But I don't know. I gotta think about the price on these and see what else I like in my box. You let me know what you think. All right, they are really comfortable too. I'm gonna go try on a few more tops and I will be right back. All right, I'm back with my next top and this is the CeCe Ruffle Sleeve Pintuck Blouse and Soft Ecru for $79. So I do like that the blouse has kind of a V-neck, but it does have buttons here. The sleeves are so pretty. So they're almost like a 3/4 sleeve, but they're also a belt. When I back up, I'll show you, but I like the detail here. This in the front almost has like a Pintuck, would you call it, detail? Maybe I'm wrong with what I'm saying, but the only thing that's driving me crazy so far, which I can probably fix if I kept it, is this here. See how it's like folding over? Yeah, driving me crazy. All right, I'm gonna back up though so you can see the top. It's okay. It's not my favorite top on me. I don't know how much I'd pull for it. I don't know. See the cute sleeves though? I love the sleeve detail. I think if this was more of a straighter cut of a top, it would look better on me. I just don't think it does much for me because it's kind of bells out a little bit. So I don't know, but you let me know what you think. It's definitely a great weight for spring, for summer, for the office because it's very lightweight, so it's very breathable. So I can see myself kind of pulling for it, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch back and see what I think. And yeah, I can tell here it's still driving me crazy. So I might have to consider how much care this would need because of the material. All right, I'll be right back. We're gonna go to the next top. Okay, so I have to correct myself because that first top that I tried on was not the Chelsea 28 top. This is the Chelsea 28 top. This is the Halogen sleeve blouse and it is $59. So I don't know what the other one was. I've got to check that. So this top is cute. It's got a V neck, which we all know I like. I do kind of think the sleeves are pretty cool, but I don't know. I think they're kind of bunching here or something and that might be throwing me off, but I'll let you see the sleeves. They've got this bell sleeve detail, which is really cool. It's got this kind of mesh on each side, kind of this mesh pattern with the bell, and it's more of a 3/4 sleeve bell, or maybe even a little bit shorter than that, kind of like the other one. Back up so you can see. It is very sheer. I don't know. It's okay. I do like the color. I don't know if I like the fit for me or the style maybe. I do like the cute bell sleeves, but I don't know. Tell me what you think. I paired it with this necklace that I already had in my wardrobe, so I don't know. I think it has something to do with the shoulder area of the sleeves and it not kind of fitting me like it should. Maybe that's what it is, but I'm anxious to hear your thoughts. All right, I'm gonna move on to the next top. All right, you ready? I have on by Halogen. This is the lace and crepe top for $59. And then I have on my Halogen ankle pants in red for $69. But let's start with this blouse. I'm gonna come, well, I'm kind of close already, but I want you to see how beautiful the top of this shirt is. I think it's just gorgeous, the lace detail. What do you think? I love it. So let me back up so you can see the length of the top. So look at the fun red on the bottom. Can't wait to show you. All right, but it's just a great fit. It's very comfortable, it's breathable. I wish I could wear it like this now. Unfortunately, it's not warm enough here to do that yet, although it will be 44 degrees, so I'm not used to that, so I might be able to go outside like this today and feel warm. But anyway, all right, let me show you the bottoms because they're really fun. So as you might have seen in my last Stitch Fix video, I did pick up a pair of red pants. However, they were more of a jean material, so I can't wear those to work. But these are a true ankle pant, and these are work ready for me. I could definitely pull these off at work. I'm not sure if they're gonna come across on camera, but this is like more of, they call these red, but in person, they kind of have more of a coral tint to them. So really pretty. I love the color of these pants. They are a true ankle. I think I said that. They're very comfortable. They fit well. So these might be keepers too. I think so far in my box, the black top and the red pants are my favorites. I did notice put on the, once again, they're kind of growing on me, but I would need to size down. Anyway, I have, I think, 1 or 2 more things to try on, and I have some necklaces to show you, so I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with this very heavy cardigan. So this cardigan is the Treasure and Bond loose stitch cardigan in ivory for $79. When I saw it in the preview, I didn't think it was going to be this heavy because of the cutout. I thought it would be a little bit lighter and more airy for spring, but this is a thick cardigan, and I'm hoping that I don't have too many more days that I would need to wear something like this. So I think I'm gonna pass on this cardigan. I will still show you it. So it does have the cutout details. It's really cute, and I wouldn't call it cozy. It's just heavy. And if I'm gonna buy something that's this thick, I want it to be cozy. I don't know. It's just, it doesn't do much for me either. So I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I also wanted to show you, I have on this necklace that they sent me too. And this necklace is the Adrielle Triple Strand necklace by BaubleBar in gold for $42. So it's more of a dainty piece than I'm used to wearing. I probably need some of these pieces in my jewelry collection. The top part is more of like a choker style, but it's not, I can't really feel it. It's very light and it's very sparkly. So I think that's super cute. It just has a normal chain here in the middle, and the bottom has a chain, and it also has like the circle detail, which it's pretty cute. What do you guys think? Maybe I'll pick that up. But it is kind of pricey for a necklace. I don't know. I do like costume jewelry and fashion jewelry, so I don't know if I want to spend that much for something that's just kind of like that. I don't know, but it is really cute. Let me know what you think. I think I'm done with my clothes. Oh, I have one more necklace, and it's a huge necklace. So, you know I like my statement pieces, but even this is big for me. All right, I'll be right back, and we'll talk about it. I told you it was a statement piece. This is a statement piece. So this is the BaubleBar Anatalia Crystal Collar Necklace for $78. Yikes. Okay, so it's pretty. It's definitely sparkly. It's definitely statement. Something I might wear on a special occasion if I had the right outfit, the right place. I just don't know. I don't know. What do you think? It's definitely cute, but this is statement. I just can't get past how big it is. You'd think this would be pretty heavy. This is not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. It does go up pretty far. It is a true collar necklace. So, like I said, for the right occasion with the right outfit, it might be great, but I just don't know that I need something this big. I know I told her I wanted statement necklaces. She definitely listened when she sent me a statement necklace, but I don't know. You let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back, and we will do a quick recap. All right, I know we're moving all around today, but I lost my last recap. So really quickly, it wasn't a bad trunk. I think there's 3 pieces that I really am leaning towards keeping. So that black top with the lace, that tank top by Halogen, so pretty. I think I'm gonna keep that. And then both of the Halogen ankle pants, the red ankle pants, fun color, and then the black ankle pants, both I could get away with wearing to work. So I think those are gonna be keepers for me. But I wanted to hop back on since I lost the recap and say thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Please let me know what you think of my trunk below. I always love talking to you guys in the comment section. I hope that you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you really soon.